Hmm. Fellas, you ever wonder why your girl never want to go down on you? Or when she do go down, she wants you to let her know before she comes, or before you come. And when you do come, she get up and run to the bathroom and spit it out. She never swallows. And ladies, when you do go down on your man, you ever wonder why it has this either salty taste or this bitter taste? Or the consistency is either a little bit runny or too thick? Well, you guys, in this video, I'm going to let you know how to make it taste good when you're performing oral sex on your man. Now, performing oral sex is not everybody's cup of tea. Some people just don't like doing it point blank and period. Some people doesn't like the smell. Some people don't like the taste of the semen. It's just not their preference. So, number one, you guys, in every video I say communication is key. Talk to your partner. Tell your man why you do not like to go down. And fellas, ask your woman why she does not like to go down. So, number one is, of course, communication. And while you're communicating, fellas, make sure it's all groomed down there. Just as well as you don't like to go down on the female, she got a whole bush. So, you know, some men prefer for it to be shaved or at least landscape down there. Fellas, do the same. Make sure you manscape. Make sure you have it down there to where your woman like it to be down there. Make sure it's clean, smell nice, so that way, you know, she won't hesitate to go down there. So now we got communication and hygiene out the way. Number one is flavored condoms. Come on, you guys. That's what they're for, flavored condoms. You can have any flavor you can think of. Orange, strawberry, bananas. Flavored condoms are majority used for oral sex. And plus, it can help from STI, which is sexually transmitted infection. So, you guys, like I said, most flavored condoms are used for oral sex. Make sure you check the product because there are some that you can use for intercourse, but majority, they are just used for oral sex. You do not want to take a flavored condom, put it on you, and then insert yourself into a female's, because ladies, you can catch a yeast infection. And don't nobody want that. So, number one is flavored condoms. Number two is flavored lubricant. Just like flavored condoms, you guys, there are flavored lubricant. Different flavors as well. Birthday cake, black cherry, anything you could think of. And so that way, when you do go down, if you don't like the taste of him in general, you can use the flavored condom and the flavored lubricant. And that way, you know what? Suck your man up. Suck him up. He tasting like strawberry. Suck him up. He tasting like birthday cakes, black cherry, mangoes, any flavor you can think of, any flavor you like, put it on that thing. Put it around. Go down there and do your thing. Now, you guys, what I just named is just for the external. So, for the internal, as in for when he actually comes, the semen, fellas, come on now. Now, for that, you guys, fellas, you will have to drink plenty of water. And I know some of us do not like vegetables. Plenty of water, eat vegetables, fruits. You know how some women like to eat pineapple because it helps them taste good down there? Same thing for men. Same for a cinnamon as well. You can eat that to make it taste good. I'm going to have a list of things that you can eat that will make your man taste good, or fellas that will make you taste good. But yeah, pretty much just eat healthy. You have to eat healthy. If you want your semen to taste good, you have to eat healthy. Drink lots of water. Okay, so one, you guys, communication. Hygiene, fellas. Ain't nobody trying to cough up no damn hairball. Sucking on your dick down there. So, hygiene, flavored condoms, flavored lubricant, and fellas, you have to eat and drink right for that semen. Because don't nobody want to taste no bitter, salty, or metallic flavor when she does actually want to swallow. Nobody wants to taste that. So, make sure it's all right for your girls. And those are ways you can enjoy going down on your man performing oral sex. And last but not least, fellas, make your lady feel good. Especially if she doesn't like doing this. Now, ladies, never do anything you don't feel comfortable doing. But, make her feel good. Let her know how good she's sucking it. Let her know how good it feels. Make her feel good. And I promise you, like I always say, when you boost somebody's ego, watch how hard they go. Watch they go 10 times harder in the bedroom. So make sure you boost her ego and let her know how good it's feeling. How you finna get ready to come. Like, babe, you doing your thing. You never did this before. Boost the ego. So you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for hitting the button. You guys, this is a new year. This is a new year. Happy New Year. I hope all your dreams and hard work pays off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.